In the land of ancient kingdoms and divine legends, Andhra Pradesh holds secrets far darker than history ever documented. Behind sacred bells and incense smoke lie temples that whisper in the dark. Some say these places are blessed, others say they are cursed. Welcome to Andhra's 10 most haunted temples, where faith meets fear. 1. Veerbhadra Temple, Lepakshi the Hanging Curse. Our journey begins at the famous Veerbhadra Temple in Lepakshi. Tourists marvel at the hanging G pillar, which defies gravity. But few know the legend that during British rule, a curious engineer tried to displace the pillar and disturb the temple's ancient energy. Since then, villagers whisper of unnatural deaths and shadows lurking within the complex. Documentary note: interview footage from locals in 1998 mentioned people seeing a floating woman in red during eclipse nights. To Bhairavakonda Temple, the cave of no return. Deep inside the Nallamal hills lies Bhairavakonda, N. And the after Lord Bhairava. Hidden behind waterfalls is a cave network. Only a few explorers have entered, most never returned. Those who did claim to have heard chanting in an unknown tongue and felt someone pulling their soul out. Locals believe the cave guards are not of this world. Documentary note: in 2004, a spiritual photographer named Mohan Babu entered to capture rare sculptures and returned mute for 2 years. 3. Narsinghapuram Veerbhadra Swami Temple Possession. Rituals. This temple isn't visited by devotees casually. Rituals performed here often involve animal sacrifice and sometimes human-like trance ceremonies. Locals speak of women being possessed and screaming in unknown languages. The priests claim it's Veerbhadra's spirit cleansing the village, but the fear is real. Documentary note: police reports in 2015 documented multiple women fainting at the same time during Amavasya Puja. 4. Nagalpuram Snake Temple Guardian. In the village of Nagalpuram, a temple is built in honor of the Naga deity. The eerie silence here is broken only by the slithering of large snakes that appear and vanish into the stone walls. No one harms them. Legend says this temple guards an ancient Naga world below ground, and disturbing the structure could unleash catastrophe. Documentary note: in 1992, workers trying to renovate the temple floor fell unconscious as they dug too deep. The project was immediately stopped. 5. Ahobilam Narsimha Temple lost in the forest. Hidden in the Nallamal jungle, the Ahobilam Narsimha Temple is feared for reasons beyond its wild terrain. GPS malfunctions, people go missing, and some return days later with no memory. Some pilgrims report seeing a massive lion-faced being walking through the trees at night. Could Lord Narsimha himself still roam these hills? Documentary note: a 2010 group trek lost contact for 36 hours. Drones couldn't locate them, but they emerged on the exact spot they disappeared. 6. Bugga Ramlingeswara Temple, the lingam that breathes. In Anantapur, a Shiva lingam sits in a pit always filled with water. But there's no spring nearby. Locals claim it pulsates during special nights, like it's alive. And during Shivratri, many say they hear a heartbeat sound, echoing from the ground. What lies beneath this temple? No one has dared dig. Documentary note: in 1991, geologist team abandoned their water source study here due to instruments failing mysteriously. 7. Chandragiri ruins screams from the past. The abandoned temple ruins of Chandragiri near Tirupati are avoided after sunset. Witnesses say they hear swords clashing, battle cries, and shadows moving like soldiers. Historians say it was once a bloody battlefield, and the spirits of fallen warriors still roam, protecting their land. Documentary note: drone footage picked up thermal signatures where no life existed. 8 Ammavari Temple, Penuganchiprolu the Warnin. People here believe the goddess warns in dreams. Several claim to see the same terrifying woman pale, with blood-stained hands showing them images of accidents or deaths that later come true. The temple is revered but also feared. Not all messages are blessings. Documentary note: locals have recorded recurring mass dreams during lunar eclipses. 9 Kala Bhairav Temple, Adoni, the roar in the dark. Only the bravest enter the Kala Bhairav temple on Amavasya. The idol is said to roar. The sound has been recorded once and the audio revealed an unidentifiable frequency, not matching any known animal or instrument. Devotees enter barefoot, eyes lowered. One mistake and it's said Bhairava marks you. Documentary note: local TV team in 2008 stopped live coverage midway due to cameras malfunctioning. 10. Talupulamma Lova Temple, Forest's Spirit Queen. On a remote hilltop surrounded by thick jungle, lies the temple of Talupulamma Devi. She is worshipped as a fierce mother, protector of vehicles. But when rituals are missed, accidents follow. Drivers claim to have seen a woman in white blocking their way, only to vanish. Forest officers avoid the area at night. Many report phantom shrieks and lights glowing above trees. Documentary note: East Godavari District road patrols register more abnormal incidents in this stretch than any other zone. 10 temples, 10 riddles, 10 spirits that dance between belief and the unexplained. Ed. In Andhra Pradesh, faith is powerful, but sometimes, so is fear. What would you do if the temple you visited stared back at you? If you like this mysterious journey, subscribe for more spiritual thrillers, legends, and untold truths. Until next time, keep your lights on and your prayers louder.